The MrSpeakers Aeon Flow are the youngest, cheapest and lightest siblings of the Ether Flow duo. Like the Ethers, the Eons are built around custom planar magnetic controllers and are offered in a carbon fiber closed-back design option or a mesh-backed rear opening option. Family affinity is also expressed in the use of the same nitinol headband and the same cable connectors in all four models. The differences? The Eons cost $799 and have a refreshed and sharp design that more closely tracks the contours of the listener's ear. Oh, and they sound dramatically different from the Ether models and between them. Despite using the same internal technology, the Aeon Flow open and closed models have fundamentally divergent characters. The closed are implacably accurate in their presentation, offering you the cold and hard data of their music. They are Scandinavian minimalism in the tundra. Open cans, more educated, heat the bass, soften the highs and wink at you. They are southern hospitality in the Mediterranean. In both variants, Aeon Flows are easy to fall in love with and difficult to smother. The next time they ask me for my recommendation for the best headphones with less than $1,000,